Okay, guys, we'll see. Boop, boop. So, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my car. And my mom is over there talking to a friend. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, try and zoom in on them. Wait, one second. I need to keep my hand steady. So let me put the phone there. See those legs there? They're right. Wait, where's my finger? There. Oh, what the? Rude. What? Look at that car. Dominoes. And, so, I'm supposed to be going to my aunt's house today. Comment down below in this video right here if I sound like a squeaker. So, yeah. So, this is what I want you guys to do. So, if you comment down below which one. Comment down below PC if you like playing on PC better, or comment down below Nintendo. And whoever, the last one to comment PC or Nintendo gets a shout out in my next video. Wait, this is a lot of random. Open! And there's an open and close button right here. That don't press. Okay, what's in here? Yes. Well, not mine. I'm getting a desktop, so when I get that, yes. I got sanitize those hands. Okay, what the? This is perfect. I can put the phone in this. Okay, there's that. My wallet's in here. Do I have any more money in it? Wait, hear that? Got change. This Dave & Buster's card, it still works. I'll find a way. You know what? There's still about like $100 on here. So at least I will try. The winner, the last person to comment Nintendo or PC, I'll try and ship this card out to you, or yeah, something like that. This is where the change is kept. It's so hard to open with one hand. Okay, got it open. Time to see the moolah. It's in here. Open this up. What the? Well, that's a rip-off. Wait, let me get all the money. Just give me 1 second. And we'll be right back. Okay, now we're back. I got all the coins. Just listen. Come out of here. Put that in there. And just eat that. Oh, that's cool. I might put that in slow-mo. I got you. I don't know why you have that, why you had that open. It was kind of obvious I could do that. Oh, look, what? Huh? Still, it was obvious that I was looking. Wait, is this zoomed out? Or is this zoomed in? Okay, there we go. Time to move on to the next thing. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay. I'm done making sound effects. Then it can, what the? Why are you doing that? Okay. Oh, look, it's a Beyblade piece. Yeah. What is in here? What other crap is in? What's this? Flashlight. I'm gonna blind you with the light. Ooh, wait, that's crazy. How the phone just. Oh, wait. Look at it. Okay, the car's a mess now, thanks to me. What else is in here? What the? Oh, this is my mom's broken phone. The eye broke. Leather boots and leather boots and leather boots and leather knee high. Look at yourselves. Look at you. That's you. I want you to see yourself. Give me a second. I need to open that. That's you. iPhone 1110. Woo. Close. Close. Leather boots and leather. What's this? Oh, that's a spray. Okay. Oh, and comment down below if you're a girl. Cause that's girls. Just smelling this makes me think of it. It's girls. And leather boots and leather boots and leather boots. Oh, and my birthday is on January 16th. So I might record my whole birthday. I don't know. What the? My mom got some scarves. And it came with this, bro. Just, bruh. Look at you, dude. Wait, let me zoom in. Look at you, dude. Bro, that's a boy. That's a boy. See how it looks. Doesn't it look so much like a boy? The first one? No. That looks like okay, comment down below if this looks like a boy to you. Okay, this one, let's see. That looks like Ariana Grande some. Just a little bit.
What does the girl on top look like?
Huh?
What does the girl on top look like?
Who?
The girl on top of the picture?
Ariana Grande.
The brown girl.
I don't know. Asian?
The brown girl is Asian?
Yeah, the one right here.
This one.
Oh, I don't. She looks American. So I've been wasting your time for 7 minutes. Let's go out and check and see what's going on outside. I hope I don't get in trouble for going out there, but I'm doing it for the video. No, I'm gonna point it down. Sorry if it sounds a lot louder here. It's pretty windy. So here we go. I'm recording a video. Okay. So I got to go back in the car. I'm gonna jump in. Ow. Ow. I'm doing it for the video. What's this? Oh, this is my mom's old credit card. Cause
Stop. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Do not put that on YouTube. You know why? Do you know why? The video recording, do not put it on YouTube.
But look, see, this is all I showed.
No, you don't.
Yes, it is a lot. Really, it is.
Don't show people's credit cards. That's very dangerous. Someone can wipe all the money out of a bank account. It's dangerous.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna make another video in a couple of minutes when we're on the road. Bye.